Good morning, sir. This is multimedia. This is for multimedia lab exercise 9, in which I have been asked to design fire and smoke, animation using Blender. Right here, you can see the exploding animation here. This is locked to camera. Now I will show how this works exactly. You can see a ball over there. That is a icosphere, and this is the smoke domain inside which the smoke and fire flames will come. I added those things by using this quick effects and quick smoke. This exploding of this icosphere is designed using quick explode, and by exploding that I did this quick smoke and fire explosion using those things. Now you can see the smoke coming out of the exploded pieces of the icosphere. I guess you can see the smoke over there. We'll see how it looks when rendered. This is how the smoke appears in rendered mode. So we have to do more changes to bring to an optimal solution so that we can see the next one. Here I have applied some initial velocity, high resolution and adaptive technology for this exploding icosphere, and I have designed some other color frames also for this icosphere. So now we'll see how it looks. You can see the fire in addition to the smoke with some slowness. The slowness of the fire and smoke is due to the initial velocity. You can see how slowly the fire and smoke is going over there. The fire and smoke has been assigned with particle systems. You can see those things over there. This is how the smoke and fire looks when in rendering mode. I will go back to solid mode, in which you can see you can have a better view how the smoke and fire looks over there. You can see the pieces. These are the pieces of the icosphere, and wherever it goes, it leaves the trace of smoke and fire. That is the result of quick smoke plus fire, which can be added in the domain flow. Now we'll see the next one with this. This is the nodal plane. You can just go to that window by dragging this down, and in this view we'll just click nodal view, like add nodal view, and we'll get this window. Here we'll here we have to design the properties for all the elements in this blender. I have designed these properties. These are the colors, and these are the properties which are designed for this smoke domain, so that the color of the flames will be like red color. So we'll just play the animation once more and just look how the flame goes and the smoke comes inside the domain. You can see the expansion of the domain over there, which is the result of these color domains. Now let's see how this looks in rendered mode. You can play and go to rendered mode, as the rendering mode is very slow. I can get a clear cut view of the fire and over there. This is the smoke and fire, which is better than the previous rendering experience. Now we can change the color over there, and there will be change in this. You can clearly see the changes which is occurring over there. That is the color of our flame. We can change the color of our flame to blue or red or white, and the color of our smoke here. This is very easy to do. We'll see how the fire looks in rendering options. This is one more thing. This is the same icosphere with the smoke domain over there, but with different kind of exposure. Here you can here I'll play the session and you can see how it looks. This is another small model of fire and smoke explosion. This is the same icosphere with the smoke domain, but with some alterations like in the icosphere in the flow. You have to change the that's icosphere in the flow. You have to change fire plus smoke. Initial velocity you have to give frame rate is 2, normal initial velocity is 2, and the density is 1, and the temperature difference is 0.001. And while coming to the domain, the changes to make this dissolve, the time is 15. It says slow, we'll just take that. Border collision scale and division 64. Scaling is 1, and we have to select this adaptive domain and smoke high resolution so that we'll get the smoke like this. Now I'll show how it works. To make the animation work, you have to play the video. See, this is how the icosphere is the start, and here you can see how it engages in the fire and the smoke. You can see this is the fire and the smoke which is coming from the icosphere. As of now, we cannot rotate and see. So it is very slow here. Here you can see the smoke and fire coming out of the icosphere. Now we'll see how it looks like in rendered view. This is how the fire looks in rendered view. We need to change so many things to make it look like as it is in rendered view without these black spots and everything. As of now, we can see how it looks. And another explosion part which we can see here. This is the final thing. Here we can change the color of our smoke and fire. Please actually mention the smoke color pictures. This is the 8 axis. Thank you for watching.